Daniel Ward. Good morning. Are you Daniel Ward?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is 25 DCCR 1375. Mr. Ward is charged with driving while intoxicated, third or more. And what is the announcement?
Judge, I think Mr. Nicholson should have this resolved shortly.
Okay.
I'm getting offered to Judge Walker, and we've talked a little bit this morning, but I think we're...
All right. So we'll just do a normal reset in this one. Mr. Ward, make sure you visit with your attorney before the next court date. We'll see if we can get an announcement then, okay? You're free to go. Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good morning. Are you Daniel Eli? Mr. Eli, did you get a lawyer hired?
I'm still working on it.
Who'd you talk to?
Raquel West.
You did not talk to Raquel West because that's me.
I'm sorry. I'm discombobulated right now.
So did you write it down somewhere?
Brittany Holmes.
Uh-huh.
I got it on my phone, but I don't have my phone with me. I talked to Brittany Holmes and Crenshaw and Lane Walker.
Okay.
I talked to a couple more too that I can't really remember their name.
All right. So did you go visit with them or did you just talk to them on the phone?
About their price ranges and stuff.
Are you working?
Yes, now I'm trying to.
You're trying to work or you are working?
The job that I work is not like constant, but I do have a little interview today. I'm trying to get to.
Where's that?
It is retirement home on my something about college.
Called what?
I don't know the name of it fully. My sister got me an interview there.
Okay.
It's a retirement home on College Street for maintenance.
Okay.
Cleaning.
So where are you working a little right now?
The protocol my own can go.
Okay. Let's see. So you've been coming now for several months.
I'm just on my second visit.
Second.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me check something. Okay. All right, so what I'm going to do, Mr. Eli, is reset your case one more time. You need to try to get someone hired before that next court date.
Yes.
If not, you need to visit with at least 3 others. You can tell by talking to them, they all charge different amounts and have different payment plans and things like that. You need to bring me that information. Write it down. Bring me who you've talked to, how much they charge, if you've gone in person, if you're just calling. I want you to actually try to get somebody hired, okay? All right, step in front of the clerk. Good morning, sir. You're Isaiah Tyson. And Mr. Tyson, were you able to get someone hired? Who'd you talk to?
I talked to Lord Razzo, I talked to Kent Johns, I talked to Corey Crenshaw, and I talked to Brittany Holmes.
Okay, good. Are you working?
I received this.
You do? So, Mr. Tyson, you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. I can get you taken care of this morning. Is that what you want to do?
Yes,
All right, if you'll step in front of the clerk, she might need you to sit for a few minutes and wait, or she might have that information. Okay, have a step right here and she'll let you know who that's going to be. Good morning, you're Kevin Calise. And Mr. Calise, were you able to get someone hired?
I know.
All right, did you talk to some lawyers?
I talked to Joe Vasquez.
Speak up, please.
I talked to Joe Vasquez, Kelly, and James.
Okay,
And also Crenshaw.
okay. And where are you on being able to get someone hired?
I'm about to sit
I'm sorry. Y'all, I can't hear. I'm having a hard time hearing. So if I can get you all to please keep it down. Say it again.
I'm about to switch jobs because the job that I have right now is barely giving me any hours.
Okay.
Maybe in about a month I'll be able to hire someone.
Okay, perfect. Thank you for doing what I asked. I'll reset your case in normal about 30 days or so. If you get someone hired, bring this reset notice to them. If not, make sure you've talked to some others, or if you've selected one that you're going to hire and made a payment, bring a receipt, things like that, okay? Step in front of the clerk. Good morning. You're DeMark Cole. And Mr. Cole, were you able to get someone hired?
I had talked to Crenshaw, Wilkerson, and
Who? Rennick.
and they were out of my price.
Are you working?
I'm trying to, I just started, but I haven't got paid or anything.
With what? With who?
Walmart, the remodeling fee.
Okay.
So,
But you know what your income is going to be on that? What you're gonna make it per hour, kinda?
yes, ma'am.
So what I'm gonna do is have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Cole, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Thank you for doing what I asked you to. You need to fill that out accurately and completely. Don't just leave it all blank. Do the best you can to fill it out. You're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct, okay? Step in front of the clerk and she'll give you that paperwork. Good morning, you're Jorge Del Fierro?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you able to hire a lawyer?
Right, Ken, I paid him $300, but he said since the charge went up, he would have to, I had to pay more.
Right.
They told me just to get a piece of paper for them to or for the hire him as my lawyer. Like so.
He told,
I give it back to y'all, my bad.
say it
I
again?
gotta get a paper from y'all so he can fill out and bring it back to court.
So once you make all of your payments with him, he'll file something with us that tells us that he's been hired. Did you have a receipt for what you paid him?
At the house.
Okay.
I had to reverse it.
All right, so I'm gonna, I'll reset your case about 30 days. Do you think you'll be able to get them hired in
Yes,
full by
ma'am.
then? All right, so bring the reset notice that you get from us to his office so they know when that court date is when you make your payment, and then they'll tell you what to do. If for some reason you don't make all the payment in full, but you make partial payment, bring me the receipts as well, okay? Step in front of the clerk. Right, Kimler.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. You're Crystal Robertson. And Ms. Robertson, this is your initial appearance. In cause number 25 DCCR 1256, you're charged with the state jail felony offense of forging a governmental instrument from June 4th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
I was in correspondence with Ms. Tanika Solomon. Shortly after the holidays, I could no longer get in touch with her, so I have a consultation meeting with Wilkerson on January 19th.
Okay, perfect. So what I'll do, Ms. Robertson, is reset your case about 30 days.
Okay.
If you get someone hired before that next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do.
Okay.
If you're unable to hire someone before that next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options.
Okay.
If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset notice. Good morning, you're Lance Charbino. And Mr. Charbino, since you've made bond this time, have you had an opportunity to hire a lawyer?
No, ma'am, I have not. I talked to Mr. Crenshaw once again to see if he could work with me a little bit, but it's still, he's holding $4,000 down before we can start. Talked to Mr. Wilkerson, and then a Miss Robin, I forget which place Mr. Robin is from, but I talked to all 3 of them. I start work tomorrow, going back to the plants, making more money, so I'll be able to see what I
Okay.
can do.
Perfect. So thank you for doing what I've asked you to do. I'll reset your case about 30 days.
Yes, ma'am.
Do your best to try to get someone hired. If not, at least narrow it down to who you're planning on. If you've made any payments, bring me those receipts.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, step in front of the clerk.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Good morning, you're Maria Garza.
Yes.
And Ms. Garza, were you able to get someone hired?
Oh, no, ma'am, but I spoke to 3 attorneys. Renee, she's asking 5,500 and half down. And Franklin is 10,000 half down and 250. And William and Marcus up to 5,000.
Are you working?
I'm social appointment.
Okay. So what I'm going to do, thank you for doing what I asked, Ms. Garza, I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill that out accurately and completely. So whatever income you do have, you need to make sure to include it with your bills and all of that, because you're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it.
And I have a receipt on the phone. Is that fine?
Just write it all down. You're going to get a form, and you need to write all of those down on this paperwork, okay?
Okay.
Step in front of the clerk. She'll give you the paperwork. Good morning, sir. You're Mark Marceau? And Mr. Marceau, were you able to get a lawyer hired? I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
You told me to bring some papers in to show my social security.
Yeah. You can give them to the clerk. Just give it to the clerk. I'll take a look at it. All right, I'm going to find based on this that you do qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. If you will step in front of the clerk, she'll let you know who that's going to be and what your instructions are. Step right in front of this clerk. I'm going to give you a court-appointed lawyer, and she's going to tell you who that is and give you their information. Yes, sir. Thank you for bringing that. Good morning, sir. You Aaron Roberts?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Roberts, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25, DCCR 1525. You're charged with the third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle from September 25th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? Are you working? I need you to speak up. And y'all, I've got a cold. Hang on a second. I've got a cold and I cannot hear. So I'm having a hard time. If y'all need to talk, I'm gonna ask if y'all can step in the back or step outside. I'm just having a really hard time hearing. And you need to speak up.
It's not, I do some out in the can. Pretty much the life that I got in the truck on, that you said I was running from home, I had to sell it. So pay the loan off my brother so he can get me out of jail and the stuff that I got going on now. They was supposed to issue me a point for the lawyer, but.
So here's the thing, you have a court-appointed lawyer.
Yes, ma'am.
But when you make bond, I expect you to at least try to hire your own attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna reset your case. If what you're doing isn't making money, doing small jobs, you need to go try to,
Well, not-
just listen, okay? I want you to try to either get a lawyer hired, or I want you to try to find a job so that you could attempt to hire one, okay? Before the next court date. So if you get a lawyer before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone, then again, two things. I want you to try to get a job and I want you to bring me proof that you have applied at jobs. And I also want you to start talking to lawyers so you know how much they cost and what you're trying to save up. Bring me those names of who you've talked to, how much they charge, so I know you're trying to do what I've asked you to do, then we'll discuss your options, okay? If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order, and you'd go back to jail. You understand? All right, step in front of it, sir. Sir, come back.
Yes, ma'am.
I need a yes or a no.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Step in front of the clerk. Good morning. Are you Michael Sarant?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Sarant, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25, DCCR 1691. You're charged with the third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle from October 16th of 2025. Since you've made bond, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
I talked to one place, but I've really been trying to get a hold of the Legal Star and the Pro Bono Association, but haven't really got much friction from it.
So, I can tell you, they typically do not handle criminal cases. You were given a court-appointed lawyer while you were in custody. You still have that lawyer. But once you've made bond, I expect you to at least try to hire someone. So I'm going to reset your case about 30 days, give you some time to see if you can get someone hired. If you do get someone hired, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer. They'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 attorneys. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice. Yes, sir. Delvin Jones. Good morning, sir. You're Delvin Jones?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Jones, were you able to get someone hired?
No,
Who'd you talk to?
talk about 20 people, but I wrote down the Church Security Law Firm, Hacker, Credit Attorney, and Willard Law Firm, with plenty more.
Okay. So where are you on being able to get someone hired?
I'm working for Craigslist, like different gigs and trying to save some money, so I'm just been trying to really stop.
You're working for Craigslist doing what?
Like different gigs, like, paint and stuff like that.
Okay. Have you tried to go get a job somewhere else, like a full-time job?
And be a lot of stuff they hide, including your background and stuff like that. Just like, Domino's, the different driver, they was gonna hire me, but we looked at my work and stuff.
Right. What's the status of that theft case over in Llano?
It's really about, they wanna,
They say something about for probation, what it's gonna be.
When's your next court date over there?
The 29th, I believe. They were saying something about it's not gonna be anything on record in the case for the hospital.
Okay, so you have an attorney over there?
Yes,
All right. I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Jones, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely. You're gonna swear under oath that everything in it is true. If you'll step in front of the clerk down there, she'll give you that paperwork and give you your instructions.
yes, ma'am.
Darius Sparks. Good morning, you're Darius Sparks. And Mr. Sparks, did you get someone hired?
No, it didn't go how I planned it.
Say it again?
It didn't go how I planned it. When the last court date, we were discussing about the 750 when I called back.
So here's the thing, it's been 30 days and I've probably seen hundreds of people, so remind me of what you were gonna do.
We discussed the lawyer, the law firm, Dunham Young,
Uh-huh,
and I told them that they wanted $750,000.
right.
I talked to them again, it was $2,000. So that
Did you talk to some other lawyers then?
I talked to them, but I don't remember the name. They wanted me to pay to talk to them, but I couldn't pay to talk to them at the moment. I ain't have to pay to talk to them.
Right, are you working?
Yeah, I'm working, but
Where are you working?
I'm working at FedEx.
Good.
Part-time, but
All right, so I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Sparks, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
yes,
You need to fill it out accurately and completely. You're gonna swear under oath that it's all true.
yes,
Step in front of the clerk down there, she'll give you that paperwork. Good morning, ma'am, you're Laura Adams, and this is 25 DCCR 0870. Ms. Adams is charged with injury to a child, elderly, or a disabled individual, and it sounds like you need a little time to visit with Ms. Malfino and get this worked out. So I'm gonna reset your case, Ms. Adams. Make sure you stay in touch with Mr. Walker. He'll let you know when you need to be back, and you guys can visit about your case before then, okay? You're free to go. Good morning, are you Aaron Shetley? And this is 24 DCCR 0776. Mr. Shetley is charged with assault, family violence by impeding breath or circulation. And what is the announcement?
Gonna get this small female on that one too.
I know
Okay.
it's a little bit older, Judge, but it's
It
the
is.
same deal where they have been in contact, and I know that this case was originally set a week ago, and got moved.
Right.
It's another one where they're gonna have a conversation about how to work this out.
So I'll set this one. On this one, just due to the age, this will be the last reset. Make sure you stay in touch with your attorney. He's going to visit with the district attorney, and you need to get an announcement at that next court date. All right, thanks. You're free to go, sir.
As this courtroom session comes to an end, one thing becomes crystal clear. The justice system isn't just about punishment. It's about accountability, preparation, and choices. Throughout these hearings, Judge West gave defendants multiple chances. Chances to hire attorneys, chances to prove they're serious, and chances to take responsibility before their cases move deeper into the system. But here's the reality. Every reset, every warning, and every courtroom order carries weight. Miss a deadline, ignore instructions, or fail to follow through, and the consequences can hit hard. What stands out most is how the court balances patience with pressure. Some defendants walked away with more time. Others walked away with stricter conditions. And some are now one step closer to trial or sentencing. That's how the system works. Opportunity is given, but it has to be earned. And remember, in court, small decisions today can shape the rest of your future tomorrow. What do you think? Was the judge being fair or too lenient? Drop your thoughts below and stay tuned for the next courtroom breakdown.